Cisco specifically, she's mayor before she became senator.
Wow.
So
She's quite popular.
yeah.
Really brown.
Wow. Is it provision vision?
Okay, well, help me.
So in the next 200 years,
Staff.
It's very nice to meet you. Thank you for coming to San Francisco.
Thank you for having us.
This is Sophia Hitler, our budget director. Nice to meet you.
Big pleasure. Thank you.
How are you enjoying San Francisco?
Fantastic.
Is this your first visit here?
Yes, to San Francisco. Yes.
Not bad, huh?
No.
The nice weather.
The weather is brilliant. Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Great. Well, enjoy your visit.
For sure.
For coming by. I know the mayor really enjoyed visiting you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can.
Welcome. Excited to have you.
So this is the mayor's private office, and so Olivia is the gatekeeper here. So you gotta, be good with her to come back. But yeah, so this is the mayor's private office. This is where he holds his meetings.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so this is where he has his meetings. Again, when we have ambassadors, heads of state, if it's a smaller group, sometimes the mayor will do it in this room instead of the international room where we were at. And so this is more of an intimate, if it's like 6 people, he'll do it in here. But yeah, so this is his private office where he does his work.
Fantastic. It's an office that holds a lot of history.
It has a lot of history, and it's really fun to see how each mayor's changed the office because they each have a different style.
Okay.
And so there's a great history of kind of, you see the offices based on who's in, kind of how they decorate it. And so this is Mayor Lurie's style. And he's quite, I don't know if you've heard, but he's kind of famous on Instagram.
Yes.
He does a lot of Instagram posts elevating our small businesses, our arts and culture. And so he does a lot of videos with that backdrop over there. And so people often always ask, oh, where is that? I want to see that. Where is that in City Hall? Because you can't, this is his private office. But yeah. So this is just a beautiful historical place. You'll see kind of the wood everywhere here. City Hall, everything has been curated and cared for with such detail. You can't really be hanging things without having kind of arts historian consultants take a look at how we're doing it because we cannot damage anything. Even the tables and the things are historical. So there's a lot of thought and time that gets spent on making sure what's being where. Easy. Hey, you're gonna have to pay for that now.
What is the title of that book?
This one?
San Francisco
San Francisco Museum
Modern
of
Art.
Modern Art.
Yeah. SFMOMA is one of our most famous
Museum of Modern Art.
Yes. Well, free walk around, take photos. It's a little warm in here today.
Yeah.
Of San Francisco City Hall, we are very grateful. We appreciate your reception. You have done a lot to receive us, to enlighten us, to relate with us, and we are grateful. We will not forget this day in a hurry, as it is entering your own books of history. It will also enter our own book of history. We have agreed that very soon you will receive a gift from us, like a plague of our model of Arochukwu Kingdom of Igbo land, southeastern Nigeria, West Africa. It will be part of what will be here.
I'll be honored to display.
Having agreed on that, and having received us so far, We say, may God bless you.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And we wish the rest of your trip and the conference just goes really beautifully. And have a safe journey.
Thank you.
I don't keep on mama no. I don't keep on no. Oberamba. Durumba. Oberamba. Duzimba. Onlinde. Akwanyinde. Akwanyinde. Amanende. Lanka. Kuranye. Yasa. Yasa anyị mee. Anyị adịghị. Nke emezi.
Thank you very much. That is conclusion of our appreciation.
History. Thank you so much.